When you turn off your car key but the engine keeps running, this puzzling situation has several possible causes that we need to understand. This phenomenon is called dieseling or run-on. It occurs when fuel continues to ignite inside the engine even without spark plugs firing. The primary cause is hot spots in the combustion chamber. When temperatures exceed 800 degrees Fahrenheit, these hot areas can ignite fuel without needing spark plugs. Carbon deposits are a major culprit. These black, sooty buildups on pistons and cylinder walls can glow red hot and ignite fuel mixtures. Overheated spark plugs can also cause run-on. When spark plugs get too hot, their metal surfaces can continue igniting fuel even after the ignition is turned off. Modern vehicles face different challenges. Electronic control unit malfunctions and push-button start system failures can prevent proper engine shutdown. Ignition system problems are another common cause. A faulty ignition switch, stuck relay, or damaged wiring can keep power flowing to the engine even when the key is off. Finally, fuel system malfunctions can cause run-on. Leaking fuel injectors or faulty fuel pressure regulators can continue supplying fuel to the engine after shutdown. Understanding these causes helps identify why your engine continues running after the key is turned off. Each requires different diagnostic approaches and solutions. The first step in troubleshooting engine run-on is checking your car's idle speed. Engines idling above 1,000 RPM are 3 times more likely to experience run-on issues. Using fuel with octane ratings below your manufacturer's specifications increases run-on risk by 60%. Always check your owner's manual for the recommended octane rating. Regular maintenance is crucial for preventing run-on. Oil changes every 5,000 miles reduce incidents by 45%, while periodic carbon cleaning reduces risk by 60%. If problems persist, have a mechanic inspect your ignition system. Faulty ignition switches, stuck relays, or wiring issues can cause the engine to continue running even after the key is removed. The fuel system should also be inspected for leaking injectors, faulty pressure regulators, or carburetor flooding in older vehicles. These issues can continue feeding fuel to the engine after shutdown. Modern diagnostic tools can identify pre-ignition conditions and abnormal combustion patterns before they become problematic. The engine control unit may also need inspection or software updates. A notable example is the Ford EcoBoost engines from 2019 to 2022, where turbocharger heat retention caused post-shutdown dieseling. This affected 150,000 vehicles and was resolved with an ECU software update that implemented extended cooling cycles. Remember that modern vehicles have a less than 0.5% chance of experiencing run-on when following proper maintenance schedules. For persistent issues, professional diagnosis with modern tools provides the most effective solutions.